Hey everybody, Bill on from Mnpctech, and this is my introduction video to my Outer Worlds themed PC case mod, Worklog. In this video, I'm going to tell you why I was inspired to do this case mod project and share the concept that we have for the PC case mod and a preview of the hardware that's going to go into it. The Outer Worlds game has been described as Fallout in space. It's created by the same guys, Tim Kaine and Leonard Boyarsky. The very first thing that struck me playing the Outer Worlds game, it reminded me of when I was a kid and I used to go behind our color television set and tweak the colors, the hue, the saturation, the tint. My mom would come in the living room and be like, "What the heck's wrong with the TV?" What I love about the Outer Worlds game is the whole aesthetic of it. It reminds me of H.G. Wells' retrofuturist meets Jules Verne, Old West, vacuum tube technology, 30s, 40s era Buck Rogers comics, all the really cool early science fiction. When creating the concept, it was very important to incorporate visual cues and elements from the environment of the Outer Worlds. So first off, we had to have the Unreliable starship incorporated into the case. Then I used other visual cues and aesthetics and surface effects from the locations and towns and incorporated those into the exterior of the case. Wait, that looks like a coffee maker. Spacer's choice is not always the best choice. And here's the details on the system that's going to go inside of our Unreliable case mod. Starting with the foundation, it's going to be a Silverstone LD03 ITX case. And this is a great little small form factor case if you're looking to save space on your workstation. The design is pretty cool with all tempered glass sides. However, those are going to change later. And what's going to power everything is another Silverstone product, their 700 watt SFX-L modular power supply. And what I love about this power supply is the large 120 millimeter cooling fan. Now at the core will be AMD's Ryzen 7 processor, and then we're going to have an X570 motherboard by Gigabyte, their Aorus Wifi Pro. Our GPU will be the Radeon RX 5700 XT. 32 gigabytes of Trident G-Skill DDR4 memory, and then all the data is going to be stored on a Plex Store M.2 1 terabyte drive on the motherboard. So if this all sounds intriguing to you and you're new to this channel through this video, hit the bell, subscribe so you're in touch when I have the first installment of this series. So I'll see you in the next installment of the Unreliable case mod.